Welcome back to my channel Jai Jagannath. I have some videos on finger millets, but today I'm going to make finger millets pudding with an ease manner. For this healthy yet nutritious pudding, we need parboiled rice water, and this water can obtain after cooking the rice with half cup of same parboiled rice. Just heat heavily bottom pan, then add the water with cooked rice in it and wait for one boil. Add little salt into it, then add 3-4 tablespoon ragi mixture and pour into it. Remember to stir it occasionally and low down the heat. After 8 to 10 minutes, you see the difference. The slurry became thick. Now switch off the flame. Allow to cool down and you see the bubbly gobbly pudding. Enjoy with jaggery or sugar. Thank you for watching this recipe. Bye bye.